Ever wondered why some buildings last for centuries while others develop cracks within months? It often comes down to what's hidden beneath the surface. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hardcore. Hardcore isn't just a term for tough guys. In construction, it's the essential layer of crushed stone, rubble, or brick used as a solid foundation for concrete floors or driveways. Its primary job is threefold. First, it distributes the weight of the building evenly. Second, it provides a drainage layer to prevent moisture from rising. And third, it levels out uneven ground. There are two main types, primary and recycled. Primary hardcore consists of newly quarried stone, while recycled hardcore uses crushed concrete and brick from demolition sites, a sustainable and cost-effective choice. Installation is where the magic happens. It's not just about dumping rocks. You must lay it in layers, often called lifts, and use a heavy-duty vibrating plate compactor to remove air pockets. If you skip the compaction, the ground will eventually settle, leading to those dreaded cracks in your concrete floor. Do it right the first time, and your foundation will stand the test of time. In the world of building construction, much of the glory goes to the visible elements, the walls, the roof, the polished finishes. Yet, beneath every solid, long-lasting structure lies a foundation of careful groundwork. At the very heart of that groundwork is one of the most fundamental yet often overlooked materials in the industry, hardcore, also known as crushed stone. Hardcore is the unsung hero of construction. It is the first significant material placed on a site after excavation. Its quality, placement, and compaction directly determine the long-term performance of everything built above it. A poorly laid hardcore bed can lead to uneven settlement, cracked floors, and structural instability. But a well-executed layer provides a rock-solid platform that supports the building silently for decades. So, what exactly is hardcore? It's a general term for any coarse, granular material used to fill, level, and compact the ground beneath floors, foundations, and pavements. It typically consists of broken, angular pieces of rock, stone, or concrete. While the term crushed stone is often used interchangeably, it technically refers to quarried rock that has been mechanically crushed and graded to specific sizes. In practice, both serve the same vital purpose, acting as a transitional layer. It bridges the gap between the natural, unpredictable earth, the subgrade, and the engineered concrete structure above it. Hardcore serves three critical functions. First, load distribution. It spreads the weight of the building across a wider area of the ground, preventing the structure from sinking into soft spots. Second, drainage and capillary break. Unlike soil, a layer of well-graded stone has gaps between the pieces. This prevents moisture from the ground from wicking up into the concrete slab through capillary action, keeping your floors dry. Third, leveling. Excavated ground is rarely perfectly flat. Hardcore allows builders to create a level, stable surface, ensuring the concrete poured on top is of a uniform thickness. Not all hardcore is created equal. Most high-spec projects use primary hardcore. This is freshly quarried stone like limestone, granite, or gritstone. It's clean, strong, and predictable. Then there is recycled or secondary hardcore. This often consists of crushed concrete or brick from demolition sites. While eco-friendly and cost-effective, it must be free of contaminants like wood, plaster, or organic matter, which can rot and create voids over time. For most residential and commercial floors, we look for MOT Type 1. This is a specific grade of crushed stone that ranges from 40 mm down to dust. When compacted, the smaller particles fill the gaps between the larger stones, creating a surface as solid as a rock. Preparation is everything. After excavating the topsoil to reach firm ground, the hardcore is spread in layers, or lifts, usually no more than 150 mm at a time. You cannot simply dump a massive pile of stone and expect it to be stable. Each layer must be mechanically compacted using a vibrating roller or a plate compactor. This process locks the angular stones together, eliminating air pockets. If you skip this, the stone will eventually settle under the weight of the building, leading to the one thing every builder fears: structural cracking. In conclusion, while it may be buried and forgotten once the building is complete, hardcore is the literal backbone of your construction project. By choosing the right material, ensuring it's free of organic debris, and compacting it thoroughly, you ensure that the rest of the building stands on a platform that is stable, dry, and secure. Remember, a building is only as good as the ground it stands on. Don't overlook the hardcore.